Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you can watch my video. Today I will introduce the Balenciaga stock shoes. There is a very obvious Balenciaga logo on the box. Okay, let's open it firstly. This is the menu for shoes. There are many things in it that can help you. This one is our invoice with the price and some instruction, has the information of shoes and the proof of buying from the official shop. Finally, our good quality dust bag with a big Balenciaga logo. You can put your shoes in to keep from dust. It's important to have a good quality dust bag in my opinion. Okay, let's take a look at this pair of Balenciaga stock shoes. We can see the dustproof paper. We take off them, then we can see the shoes still protected by the plastic bag sock branch. Harness you need for speed in this brown speed stretch knit sneaker from Balenciaga, designed with the iconic sock steel construction. This high top pair are perfect for giving yourself an extra pose. The second generation of Balenciaga speed sneaker is redesigned with an articulated molded sole that provides additional flexibility and ergonomic support. There is no difference between the shoes and the January one in appearance. No matter from the design or the experience of wearing it, it has achieved ultimate, perfect replica. This pair of shoes is already a top quality version. It is indeed very well done. The details in all aspects are in place. It is really a very good pair of shoes. I think it is very worthwhile and it can satisfy your psychology without spending too much. The money is really a very good choice. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and see more unboxing videos.